Hello, grade 2. How
Hello.
are you?
How are you?
We keep missing you. Hope you're doing well.
So today, before we start, we are going to review our Unit 5. Too hot to stop. So, let's read the story one more time. This time, we will read it for you. So, too hot to stop. Follow along. In the desert in the east, where the sand is so hot, Hoppet the gazelle likes to hop, hop, hop. Come and meet his friends in the desert sun. Hop along with Hoppet, and day has just begun. The sandcat sat by the cactus tree. Come on, sandcat, come with me. The camel is a mammal with a hump upon his back. Follow us, said the sandcat. Follow our track. What's the hurry, Hoppet? Asked the lizard in the shade. Come along, little lizard. Join our parade. Won't you stop it, Hoppet? Said the fox on the rocks. It's too hot to stop, said Hoppet to the fox. Too hot to stop, said the camel and the cat. Too hot to stop, said the lizard at the back.
Stop it, Hoppet. Stop it, hissed the snake on a dune. If you're hopping up there, you'd better stop soon. Stop it, Hoppet. Stop it, warned the falcon flying by. I can see where you're heading from high up in the sky. Hoppet hopped up the sand dune, so tall and so wide. When he got to the top, he hopped off the other side. Splash! A lake full of water, so deep and so cool. Hoppet splashed down into the desert pool. Sploosh came the camel, the lizard, snake, and cat. The falcon and the fox with a splish, splosh, splat. At last, said Hoppet, this is where we stop it.
Okay, now we are going to go over your workbook together, and you will take a picture and send it to us. So we're checking your work. So let's see.
All right, so we're going to be on page 63, and we're going to draw lines to join the rhyming words.
So sun rhymes with begun. Sun, begun. So tree will rhyme with
Me.
me. Oh, what happened to you?
Uh-oh, there you go.
Oh, there you go. Me. Back will rhyme with
Track.
track. Shade, aid will rhyme with
Parade.
parade, aid. By will rhyme with
Sky.
I. Cool will rhyme with
The pool.
cool, pool, ooh. Dune will rhyme with
Soon.
soon, yun. Wide rhymes with
Side.
side, eyed. All right, now this one you were supposed to make up a name for this character, but we're just going to write their actual name. Are you ready? This is a hobbit.
And he's a gazelle.
And this is a lizard.
So you could write lizard, or you could make a name like Lizzie or Hoppy or
Something.
Tongue.
This one is a
Cat.
cat. Next one, hump on the back.
Camel.
And then
Snake.
Snake. Next one will be
Fox.
fox. Next one flying will
And
be
falcon.
falcon. All right, next let's go to page 64. Now we did the first one together. The sand cat is sitting next to a cactus.
Mm-hmm.
Now if you were reading your story carefully, the answers are all in your story. The fox is standing
On
the
rocks.
rocks. And then the falcon is flying
over
over the sand dunes.
the gazelle is jumping.
Jumping into the cool water
The snake is slithering.
towards the cool water.
And the lizard is standing.
In the shade. These were all in the story.
And these are called prepositions. They
Mhm.
tell you the location of where something is.
Yes. Next, page 65. You were supposed to connect these and make the sentence. We did the first one together already. There are a few stones in the desert. And you were to write, there are a few stones in the desert. Next sentence we should start with, there is some shade under the bushes. And there is some shade under the bushes.
That makes sense. There are some animals on the ground.
Yes, and you will write, there are some animals on the ground.
There are many plants growing there.
There are many plants growing there. Now, there isn't much water to drink in the desert. Yes, there isn't much water. There isn't much water to drink in the desert. All right, next, moving on. Remember we did where, how, what, why, who, question words. Now, here are the questions that you can make for Hoppit. And we gave you the hint, where are you from? What do you like to eat? Why do you live in the desert? Now, Miss Kim is going to be a Hoppit and I will ask her the question that I made. Where are you going?
I'm going to the cool pool.
How do you get there?
I get there by hopping.
What will you do when you get there?
Splish, splash, splash, and swim.
Why are you going there?
Because I'm so hot.
Who will you see there?
You?
Maybe. Now, these are the example questions that Miss Carolyn made. If you made your own, it is okay. But if you didn't, here is an example. Okay? Now, let's go to our lesson for today. Thursday, 20th February. Can I use question words? Ooh, same thing. Try to say all the different question words. Who
is a person. What person? Who is talking about a person?
What?
A thing or action.
Where?
A place or position.
Why?
The reason for something, usually with because.
Now, let's match the questions with some pictures. You can see right here a picture of a birthday party. Now, let's match the questions. Who is bringing the cake? Look at the picture.
Okay.
Who is bringing the cake?
This lady here, she might be the mom or just a friend. She's bringing the cake. So the lady with the short ginger red hair is bringing the cake.
Ginger is like kind of reddish color. Now, where is the jelly? Can you see the jelly in the picture?
Jelly. It's on the table.
Ooh, right there. The jelly is on the table, on the left side of the table next to the fork in the front of the birthday boy. Oh, that's the birthday boy.
Ooh.
What is the birthday boy holding?
The birthday boy's holding a red balloon.
He's holding a birthday boy is holding a balloon. Last one. Why are there candles on the cake?
Because it's a birthday party.
Yes, there are candles on the cake because it is a birthday party.
That cake looks very yummy.
All right, now moving on. Make some questions and answer for this picture. We're doing the same thing like this, but you have to come up with the question. Make 5 questions and use all the question words that we are learning today. What, who, where, when, and why. For example, what color is the car number 5? Da-da-da. An answer will be car number 5 is green. Make 5 questions. Write it on your notebook and send us the picture. Due tomorrow, okay? Next, this is going to be fun. Use the different cards to make up some silly sentences. Start with orange, who? Then yellow, what are they doing?
After that, blue, where are they? And finally, brown, when.
You could either print it or you can just write it. It is up to you.
Here are the cards.
Now, let's make an example for them, Miss Kim.
Okay.
Who card? I will choose the mermaid.
Okay, the mermaid.
The mermaid.
What did the mermaid do?
Maybe, let's start just simple, flying.
The mermaid is flying, okay.
The mermaid is flying.
Oh, where? Where is she flying? She's going to fly at the cinema.
At the cinema? Oh, that's
going to fly to watch a movie.
Maybe.
Called Little Mermaid.
Okay, now when is she flying?
Oh, she's flying in the winter.
In the winter? Okay.
What a silly sentence.
I know. Now, this is how it looks. Let me move us again. The mermaid is flying at the cinema in the winter. Interesting sentence. The mermaid is flying at the cinema in the winter.
Wow.
Very easy and simple, right? Just pick one card for each
color
and write the sentence. Please make 5 more. I'm trying to get 5 more. Okay?
5 more sentences.
Due tomorrow. And great job. So, this is what you need to do. Please complete your speech poster, competition poster, and your 10 sentences by tomorrow, 21st Friday.
Send a photo of your work on Class Dojo messages. Remember, the speech competition poster is about your topic of something about taking care of the earth. I haven't seen many posters yet from grade 2, so I'm looking forward for you to do it today and tomorrow and send it tomorrow.
If you don't have a poster size paper, just use A4 paper.
Just use a regular paper.
Any blank paper. This poster is going to be your background for your speech. Okay? All right. We'll talk to you later.
Have a wonderful day.
Bye-bye.
Bye.